What's going on, friends? Just want to give you an update what's going on in the shop. We are working on that truck fixing the roof, and then fixing that spoiler. Pavel and Andrey already painted, so working on the bumper as well. So they just painting that piece, and yeah, that truck should be good to go.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
What's going on in the shop?
Okay, Andrew is painting.
Paint man.
Yeah, as you can see, Pavel is learning English. So stay tuned, it's going to be very interesting.